Hi everyone, welcome to my Smelia Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. And in this video here, I will make a collective haul for MAC product that I got and some Real Techniques NYX box that I got with top box, or I don't remember which beauty box it was because it was way months ago, and you can go and check in my Instagram. I post about it, and the brushes that I got from Real Techniques at the at the drug store. So let's start with the brushes. So I found this brush at Jean Coutu here. It's like pharmacy, and it says it's an edition, limited edition. It's the multitask set. So it was $32.99 and it was in special at $16.49. So these one here, so these three ones. And on another day I found this one here. It was again limited edition, the ultimate eye set. So it was, you have 5 brushes, and it was this one here because I used most of my brushes are Real Techniques and I really enjoy them. So this is why I was like, I will get this one here because I don't have this one here, and this one I love to use it, and I was like, why not? And in the Christmas time, Shoppers Drug Mart, Pharmaprix here in Quebec and Ontario, in the English side it's Shoppers Drug Mart, they come out with these samplers, like eye studio samplers, and you have a coupon inside and you can get a full size of one of the products that you see here. And I didn't act quick enough in the Christmas time, so I was sad that I missed the product, and it was $42, and I got one box like this in 2016 for my friend in USA, and the box were $39, and this year it was $42. But I didn't mind because it had some mascara that I really liked, and some of them I wanted to try, so I was like, why not? And randomly I stumbled on it in one of the Shoppers Drug Mart. They still had it, and I was like, oh my god, you still have it. So I got it, maybe, when was it? I think I posted in Instagram, I don't remember, but it was past Christmas, maybe February or January, I don't remember, but I know that I was working, so it's supposed to be January or February. So I got this, and before the coupon it's expired or it's too late, I went ahead and exchanged the coupon for the Clinique. I will show you just the inside since I opened it. So it's like this, and I had the coupon on this here. So with the coupon I went and got the full size of the Clinique Chubby Fattening Mascara. So I mean, all of this for $42. I mean, it's well spent money. And if we come to this box here from the NYX, I think it's top box. They made a special, I don't know, I received an email and it was like $25 shipping included, and I was like, I'm not going to miss this. And I think it's a collaboration, Lola Liner and Tatiana Cosmetic, because inside you can see their hashtag, and you can see, if I don't film and show you the product that I got, I will not play with them, because this, it's been months I had this, and I posted it in Instagram, so you can go and check it out when I got this, and it was $25 deals. And in that we had the Sweet Cheeks and blush palette. This one here, it retails for $27. It's what it said on the card here, so $27 for this. So just for this it's worth getting the box for $25, shipping include. I mean, I didn't think twice of it. I went and tried to see few Instagram pictures about it and some videos, and I was like, it looks a good product. And I love NYX blushes. I love them. They're so creamy. I love them. And my friend in USA, she sent me a bunch of them. We made a makeup swap, so she sent me lots of NYX products, so I got to try them, and I really enjoy their blushes. And it had the high voltage lipstick at the color number 14, this one here, and it had the butter lipstick, the number 17. It's Root Beer Float. So these two here, so 3 products, $25. Why not? When I see good deals like this, I will jump on them and not really think twice. I will pretty much get them. And my last but not least, again, if you watch my other video, most often I will tell my husband, okay, this is my birthday gift, I will not buy any more product. Oh, this is for my gift, or this is for my gift. So when my birthday is close, I mean it's 10th of June, in May and in June, you can pretty much consider those 2 months. Everything that I buy, I will excuse my birthday and say it's my birthday gift, and I will not buy anymore, but I will buy again, and it will say, oh, this one, it's my last gift, it's my birthday gift. So I pretty much get away about my shopping and I can pretty much get away with pretty much everything because it's my birthday coming. So yeah, I pretty much went and got the products that I hear in YouTube that all the beauty gurus like rave about. So I went and got the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So now I have my Fix Plus, me too. And just what I bought there, it cost me is this, yeah, I have my receipt here. And the MAC shop, it was in the Bay Hudson in the Galerie d'Anjou. So the Fix Plus, it cost me 28, and the paint pot 26, and the highlight $38. So all of this cost me $105. And for, I mean, you can see my highlight, I didn't even swatch it, and I got this in, if I look the date, I got this 6 May. So I have this for more than a month, and I didn't play with them, I was just looking at it. So I have my highlight here, this one, and I got the name Superb B, this one here. And the raved product, the Pro Long Wear paint pot. So I went and got this one here, and I chose the soft ochre color. Soft ochre, this one here. I don't know, do you want to see the product? I can just get it out of the box. I mean, just this little thing here, this little thing. How much I said? 28 or $26 for that. But people were raving about it, so I want to try it. And it's MAC product. I'm going in aesthetic, so I will buy some more professional products. So I was like, why not? Let me go and spend that money and try the MAC products. And I have few eyeshadows also that I received from my friend. Like I said, we did a makeup swap, so I have few of the makeup products that she sent me. So this was this collective haul, and then I will have more of the drugstore haul, and I have 2 more warehouse sale hauls coming up. So if you're in Montreal, maybe those video will interest you. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm kind of recording back to back so that I can just store all those makeup that I bought so that I can start play with them. So again, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.